Today, we've got an exciting topic for all you car enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of performance upgrades and discussing why upgrading to a performance camshaft can make a significant difference in your car's performance, whether you're into everyday driving or racing on the track. So, buckle up, because we're about to unleash some serious power. What is a performance camshaft? Before we dive into the benefits, let's start with the basics. A camshaft is a critical component of your car's engine that controls the opening and closing of the engine's valves. A performance camshaft is designed with specific profiles to optimize valve timing and duration, allowing for increased airflow and fuel mixture. This translates to more power and torque, but the benefits go beyond just raw horsepower. Benefits for normal driving. You might be wondering, why should I upgrade to a performance camshaft if I'm not a racer? Well, even for everyday driving, there are notable benefits. First off, improved low-end torque means better acceleration from a standstill and better passing power on highways. You'll experience smoother idling and increased engine responsiveness, making your daily commutes a lot more enjoyable. Plus, a well-tuned camshaft can even improve fuel efficiency by optimizing combustion efficiency. Here are some benefits for racers. Now, if you're a racing enthusiast, upgrading to a performance camshaft can take your game to a whole new level. The increased airflow and valve timing optimization result in higher peak horsepower, allowing you to reach higher top speeds on the track. The enhanced torque curve also means better acceleration out of corners, giving you a competitive edge. And let's not forget the adrenaline rush of hearing that aggressive, deep exhaust note that comes with a performance camshaft upgrade. Here are some factors to consider. While the benefits are clear, it's important to consider a few factors before diving into a camshaft upgrade. First, you'll want to match the camshaft profile to your car's characteristics and your driving goals. Consult with experts or use online resources to find the best fit for your vehicle. Additionally, remember that a camshaft upgrade might require other modifications, such as upgraded exhaust systems, intake systems, and tuning to fully realize its potential. Installation and professional help. Installing a performance camshaft isn't a straightforward task and might require a certain level of mechanical expertise. If you're not confident in your skills, it's highly recommended to seek professional help from experienced mechanics or performance shops. Proper installation ensures that you get the most out of your investment while maintaining engine reliability. There you have it, folks. Whether you're a daily driver looking for better performance or a racer aiming to dominate the track, upgrading to a performance camshaft can truly transform your driving experience. From improved low-end torque to heart-pounding horsepower gains, the benefits are undeniable. Just remember to do your research, consult with experts, and consider all the necessary modifications. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting automotive content. Drive safe and drive fast.